I'm Dave Barry. I work for a company called Slipstream Energy. We're based in Keighley in Yorkshire. And we're developing a vertical axis wind turbine. There's probably two things we're looking for. One is to get some more awareness of our product. It's a new product just coming into the market. We just finished testing our prototypes and we're now looking to go into manufacture next year. So just basically getting some awareness of our product and the uniqueness of our product. And also really to make contacts with people in this industry and in this sector, which the nature of this event obviously is one of networking, and we've been doing a lot of networking since we've been here. We've spoken to quite a few companies who are looking at our product potentially for installation of the product. I think with the nature of the product, it makes a very strong statement for a company, and I think companies are very attracted to that. It's the vertical axis design. Often describe it as an upside down egg beater. I think most people seem to have seen them around. There are a few others around. And it's a very elegant design, and companies I think are looking at a solution that not only generates them some energy but also helps them make a very strong statement about their environmental credentials. But the vertical axis wind turbine is particularly designed for an urban or built-up environment where you can get turbulence on the wind. With a more traditional horizontal axis, they need to be faced square on into the wind to work at their maximum efficiency. And if the wind is changing directions rapidly, then they're going to be chasing into that wind. So the vertical axis turbine is one that it will accept the energy, the wind from any direction. And so in a turbulent area, it's going to continue to work at its full efficiency. We've got to act responsibly in advising our customers on making sure that it is an appropriate site for them to put their turbine. I understand with David Cameron that he looked into it and he was advised probably it wouldn't generate enough energy. There have been examples where turbines have been put up and because of turbulence or the installer's not properly understood the conditions, then they've had disappointing returns from that product. Customers are becoming increasingly aware of their responsibility to the environment, I feel, and they've got, they want to make these statements, and definitely the people are seeing that as a strong point with the product. Well, there's so many variables, aren't there, with payback time. Obviously, it's the wind speed is one of the variables. We're now seeing feed-in tariffs coming in next year, so that's another variable that's coming in. And who knows what the existing electricity prices are going to do. So if they increase over the payback period of time, that also is another variable that comes in. I mean, we would hope for our product that we'll get seeing a payback time around about 10 years in a good location. It's got a good wind resource. But as I say, it is a very difficult one to predict, and people have different models for that.